This one's wild though. And
Ooh.
it's our favorite fucking article source too. You know, just know going into this, there's gonna be something fucked up in the text that's gonna make us go, "What? Why did you write it like that?"
Yeah.
And it's gonna
Before
be
we get into
awesome.
this, give me just a second. I'll be right back.
Oh yeah. Scientists discover new Earth-like planet around the closest star to our sun.
Nice.
Isn't that fucking exciting? We have a galactic neighbor. We have a little neighborhood in space, and we're never gonna meet them.
They also found an asteroid trailing Earth's orbit too.
Ooh, oh, asteroid savior, he's coming.
It's they don't. I mean, they think it's been trailing us for a while, and it should trail us for like the next 4,000 years. It's in our orbit behind us.
I love it. I love it. It's a friend. It's a space friend, always looking over our shoulder, waiting to wipe us out at a moment's notice. It's a beautiful thing. It's very romantic. Anyway, a new planet was discovered in our galactic neighborhood. A team of astronomers has found evidence of a third planet orbiting around the nearest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri. Due to its relative proximity, hence the name, to Earth, this mysterious star system is an ideal target for a future mission to explore a world beyond the boundaries of our own stellar system. And they really got to stop with this fucking naming convention. Like, oh, this thing's close to us. Let's call it fucking Proxima.
Yeah.
Like, come on. That's like, uh, hey, you want to hand me my close hammer? Like, the what? The close hammer. What?
My proximity hammer.
The one closest to me. Oh, you mean the hammer?
Yeah, that's true. The person that finds it names it.
Yeah. So what's new here? Using the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope,
Nice.
VLT, Very Large Telescope. These guys are fucking great. In Chile, the team behind the new study detected an exoplanet orbiting around Proxima Centauri. They picked up a signal corresponding to an object passing around the star on a 5-day orbit. Whoa. 5-day orbit? That thing is whipping.
Yeah, it is.
Imagine a year only taking 5 days.
We'd all have a lot of the same birthdays.
That'd be crazy. I'd be dizzy. That'd be annoying. You couldn't even take a nap. It would be daytime before you even fucking closed your eyes. Then
I
it'd
wonder
be
what the
nighttime.
gravity on that planet would be like.
Insane. You'd be a fucking pancake. They picked up signal. Actually, no, it depends how big it is.
That's true.
Yeah, they picked up a signal corresponding to an object passing around the star in a 5-day orbit, but the signal was very weak. Then the team had to conduct follow-up observations with the shell spectrograph for rocky exoplanets and stable spectroscopic observations, also known as espresso. Are you
Hey,
fucking kidding? Espresso instrument to confirm that the signal was indeed a planet and not caused by slight changes in the star itself. The planet, dubbed Proxima D, well, there you go, D, you got a planet named after you, is about a quarter of the mass of Earth. In fact, it's not only the lightest planet discovered in the star system, but one of the lightest exoplanets ever discovered. It matters because it's the closest known star system to our own. If humans develop the technology to travel beyond the confines of the solar system and reach interstellar destinations, then it's the top of the list for the first targets for such a mission. Now we have more evidence. There are diverse worlds waiting for these future endeavors to explore. The discovery shows that our closest stellar neighbors seem to be packed with interesting new worlds within research of further study and future exploration. Says Joa, Jow, how, who, Joe, Ow. How do you say that? Joe? Can we just call him Joe? Joe
Yeah,
Faria?
we'll go with Joe Faria.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry. I tried. Faria is a researcher at the Institute of Astrofísica y Ciencias de Espacio, Portugal, and lead authors of the study, but there's more.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah. Do you think you could feel the rotation if it was that fast? Maybe. Part where Bodhi's trying to sound it out. Yeah, yeah, it's great. Great clip. Good idea. Let's fucking put that on them. Yeah, let me get famous for that. Let's do it. Proxima D orbits its stars from a distance of about 4 million kilometers, less than a tenth of Mercury's distance from the sun. Oof, that's really close. Takes just 5 days to complete one full orbit around it. Nevertheless, it orbits near to the star's habitable zone, or the area around a star where it's not too warm nor too cold for liquid water to exist.
That means it's got to be a smaller star than ours.
Yeah. When it comes to theories of how and where life might arise elsewhere in the cosmos, liquid surface water is often the key. Even more intriguingly, Proxima D is believed to be a rocky planet similar to Earth.
Score.
So it's 4.2 light years away. Their sun is 500 times less bright,
There we go.
an eighth of the mass. We discovered the planet with telescopes. Orbits the star at a distance 4.7 million miles, with an orbital period of approximately 11.2 days. Oh, that's Centauri B. So this is just another one. Maybe that's why it moves so fast. Ouch, that's hot. Ouch, that's hot. Yeah. What's next? Each of the planets in the Proxima Centauri system provide an interesting case study for exoplanet scientists. They exist together around one star, but they are all very different from one another. This oddity, as well as the tantalizing prospect of at least one planet firmly within a habitable zone, means that scientists are always curious about whether or not the future mission could be prepared to visit the star system and its orbiting planets. Scientists behind the recent discovery are also hoping to find more lightweight planets using the same instruments used to find Proxima D. The achievement is extremely important. Pedro Figueira at Espresso Instrument Scientist said, it shows that the radial velocity technique has the potential to unveil a population of light planets like our own that are expected to be the most abundant in our galaxy that can potentially host life as we know it.
Heck, for all we know, all those planets in that habitable zone all have life on them.
Yeah. And maybe they're all fucking got their own
Back,
Trumpers
back
and
and
shit.
forth.
You-
I would hope not.
How awful would that be? We get to every fucking planet in our like little neighborhood and they're all a bunch of fucking fascists. Like life finds a way. Like fuck. Come on, guys. Okay.
So, but in the Rick and Morty thing, Rick keeps dying, and every time he gets transported to like a new tube in a different universe,
Mhm.
every time he comes to, they're fucking fascists. The last one, he's like, "Oh fuck this," and he kills himself.
That's fantastic.